Okay, well, here's my current project. What I'm doing today is to try to unclutter some of this mess that I have using the this is the original Bulletproof for the Wrangler. It's their dual setup. And we are putting in the new Rubigrid, and I'll show you that in a few minutes. Well, I can see I'm going to have to clean that out. That was pretty bad in there. So let's get that done.
Lenses of special colored optical glass which protect the eyes.
Voila! A little brake parts cleaner, and it is ready for adhesive.
Necessary, along with practical blueprint reading and some mathematics. Electrical.
Well, and Bulletpoint gives you some small screws and stuff, but I'm going to use these self-tappers when I install mine, just because I think they're going to hold better. But the bracket does fit perfect. So it's a really well made, it's heavy gauge, and it looks to be a really nice system. So far, even without the grid work mounted, I'm really starting to like this Rubigrid mount.
Melted. And a carbon rod or electrode which does not melt is used. The mask.
So this is the configuration that I'm looking at going with for right now. I have to order some longer arms for this, and then I think I'm going to get a mount for my iPad mini here that I run my Gaia GPS on, so that I can get rid of, let me see if I can get you a better focal point on this, so I can get rid of this wobbling and have more of a rigid arm that comes down and holds it. But I still have to work on doing it with a drop-down angle, because I don't want it sitting way up high and blocking my view like so many others have their pad sitting up there. And if I can get it out of my wife's face, that would be good too. Make her a happy camper. So let's get the arms mounted.
The electric arc gives off ultraviolet rays, so there must be no bare skin exposed, and clothing must be worn which will protect the operator from burns. Proper vent.
Now, one of the things they also include with the kit is the F-it tool, which when I first got this mount that I replaced, because it's the original Bulletproof, probably collector's item now. I don't think they had those out, because this thing works really nice for tightening those down, especially those like myself that have a few physical limitations with gripping. So let's continue on and get some more of these mounted. Okay, as you can see, this really cleans things up nice. I just like the way that the flush mount looks and holds everything nice and tight in there. And oh, look, collector's item. Now all I got to do is measure for the couple more arms and get the bracket for the iPad mini and move that, and then order some new cables so I can bury all the cords behind the dash.
Your life work. It will be worth your while to work hard to qualify yourself.
And I almost forgot the most important thing that Bulletpoint sent with my kit here. See if I can get it out of the package one-handed. Is a little patch, nice rubber back patch for the headliner. So we'll have to put that up there. Bam! With all the rest. So, thanks again for watching.